I'm just going to show you how to work the cables on the beret without a cable needle. So they're very small 2-stitch cables. You can work them with a cable needle, but you can really easily work them without one. And once you've practiced that a little bit, it becomes very quick to knit them without a cable needle. So we've got a left leaning twist and a right leaning twist, and those are just a 2-stitch little twist. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to create the right leaning twist without a cable needle, you're going to knit where you want to insert your right leaning twist, and take your right hand needle, slip it purlwise into the second stitch on your left hand needle, swivel your needle around to come into the first stitch, knit the first stitch, and then slip both onto your right hand needle. So you can see we've slipped one and knitted one, and we've twisted them around to change them positions. So I'll show you again. Slip your needle purlwise into the second stitch. You can pull that stitch out a bit. Twist your needle around to come into the first stitch. Knit the first stitch. And that's that done. To do the left leaning twist, you're going to bring your needle from behind, insert it into that second stitch from behind, knit that stitch, then slip the first stitch onto your right hand needle with the stitch you just knitted. So I'll show you again. Come in from behind, insert your needle from back to front into the second stitch, knit the second stitch, and then slip the first stitch over there with that one. That is your left leaning and right leaning twists. Now just a little extra tip, when you come back around on the plain row to knit these stitches that you've just twisted, just be careful not to knit through both of them. They can sit quite close. Just be careful as you come to them to separate them out and knit them individually so you don't end up accidentally decreasing. So you can see they're sitting here quite close together. Just separate them out and make sure you knit them individually like that. And they're going to sit where they're meant to. We've come to the left leaning ones now. So just make sure you don't knit them together. And there you go. I hope you have fun cabling without a cable needle. Let me know if you use this method. Just practice it a little bit and you'll find it becomes very, very easy and a lot more streamlined than picking the cable needle up and down. Happy knitting.